Guys, I'm going to be doing a product review today on 3 different items: a shampoo, a conditioner, and an oil. This particular brand comes from the brand that usually you get the Jamaican black castor oil from. So the Tropical Isle Living. This is the Jamaican Strong Roots Red Pimento shampoo with a fusion of pure Jamaican black castor oil and red pimento oil. So I'm going to be giving a review. I did wash my hair yesterday, which gave me these results. The way that I styled it, though, I used completely different products. But if you would like to know more on what I used for the style and everything, or like a video on how I did it, just please be sure to give me some comments down below letting me know that you really want to see what I used, or that you really want me to do a video on how I got this look. Or you could just thumbs up the video and show me that you really like the way my hair looks and that you want me to do a review on it or a demo. So first I'm going to be reviewing the shampoo. The shampoo says that it softens, detangles hair, improves manageability, and promotes hair growth. And it comes in this bottle here. So the pros. So the pros is that the shampoo did just exactly what it says it does. The smell, I wasn't too keen on at first, but actually once I started using it, I was like, wow, this smells pretty good. So it wasn't actually too bad once I actually started using it. The only thing that I have an issue with is the bottle and the size of the bottle. I have a lot of hair, so I would prefer maybe a bigger bottle, or maybe a different type of bottle or something. I don't know, but I usually don't see different types of bottles for shampoos. But just maybe a bigger bottle would be helpful. But yeah, the smell's okay. It just smells very cleanly smelling. I often even thought of it to smell like hand soap kind of. But it does what it's supposed to do. I sectioned my hair in 2 sections, and literally my hands were just gliding through my strands. It had amazing slip. So that is the shampoo. And the conditioner from the same brand is the Tropical Isle Living Strong Roots Pimento Conditioner with a fusion of pure Jamaican black castor oil and red pimento oil. Now, what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to moisturize and detoxify the scalp, and it's also supposed to improve manageability and promote healthy hair growth. So, initially, when I read the back of this conditioner and I read how they wanted me to use it, it stated that it wanted me that I could leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes and put a shower cap over my head. So I thought, like, is this a conditioner or is it a deep conditioner? Because usually when they want you to keep it on for longer than 5 minutes, that's usually a deep conditioner. So when I instantly read that, I was thinking to myself, well, I'm just going to skip deep conditioner and leave this on as a deep conditioner and just go from there and start styling. And I did just that, and I feel like my results were pretty good. The smell on this one is way different than the smell on the shampoo. It's more of a stronger, kind of like minty type smell. I wasn't too fond of the smell on this one because it was very strong and it almost kind of burnt my eyes. But this one, the same as the other, the size of it is not, my friend. And this one is a thick conditioner. So the fact that it's so thick, I would prefer the bottle where you can actually just squirt it out, because this is way too thick for me to be having wet hands and product all over my hands to be shaking it out of the bottle, Plus, it's a very small bottle, but the fact of how it works very amazing. And once again, also very good slip on this product as well. And I would definitely keep using these because they work very well. And another thing is that on the shampoo, it actually told me how to use things with the conditioner. and it said to use the oil with the conditioner from the shampoo bottle, which I thought was weird, but I did just that. I had the oil that also came with it. This is the Strong Roots Pimento Hair Growth Oil, and they said that it was great for hot oil treatments, pre-poos, and scalp massages. So I used it for a scalp massage, as well as while deep conditioning, which it doesn't state here on the bottle. But I used it with while I was deep conditioning with the conditioner, and I pretty much just put the oil on the hair strands as well as down the squirting it in my scalp, and then I massaged it and worked it through my strands. And with this, I thought that it was a perfect size actually, and I like that the applicator came with a twist cap, so I could just pour it down my hair if I wanted to, or pour it in my palm. So this, I think, is actually a nice size as well. And this actually smells a little, wait, I forgot how this one smelled. Yeah, this one smelled like the shampoo. So this one wasn't as bad as the conditioner. I think the only thing that smelled pretty bad was the conditioner. But yeah, overall, these products were the two here. I feel could have came in bigger bottles, and I wish they would do something about the smell on this one. But overall, these two together work very well. I just like the fact that I could skip deep conditioner and just go straight to the conditioner and condition and deep condition all at once. I love that. I love that the shampoo had so much slip. I love that when I added the oil to my strands, it just kind of melted in my hair as I added it on top of the deep conditioner. Like, I think all three of these products worked very well together. And then I feel like they also worked very well with beforehand. So then when I styled, it's just helped so much better, you know? So these products all together came out to $31.55, which I felt was a decent price because I got 3 products, and this was a part of the Tropical Isle brand, which they are the ones that do Jamaican black castor oil. And for the shampoo and I believe the conditioner to have Jamaican black castor oil in it, that's also pretty good for the price. They are quite small though. These are only 8 ounces, but I feel like the oil was the only thing that was rather huge, which is a 4-ounce bottle. Because if you know, oil usually lasts for a pretty long time anyway, so you could keep oil for up to years sometimes because you literally use that much. So I felt like the oil was the only thing that came at a reasonable size. But as far as me buying it again, I would. In this package deal of when I bought I bought this from Walmart.com. And the fact that it all came as a trio, I like that. And I only paid $31.55, so I felt like that was a decent price too. But I mean, I would only buy this if I had like an extra little bit of money laying around or something. Like, it wouldn't be my first instinct to just buy this right off the bat, you know what I'm saying? But for what it was worth and for what it did, I feel like I would definitely buy the product again. Just hopefully they increased the sizes of this and the packaging on this. But other than that, you know, that's what it is. Like, I for sure will run through these. But I mean, for what I used, the shampoo, I did shampoo twice. So that's why the shampoo is where it's at. Because the first time I washed my hair, it kind of seemed like there wasn't much of a lather. So that's why I had to go in a second time to just make sure that my hair is clean. I actually like to do 2 washes now because I like to make sure that my hair is clean and that all the product and the buildup is all out of my hair, even if I just shampooed last week. I'm gonna start shampooing twice now. But for what I had and for what these products are worth, I would definitely say these products get a good 8.5 out of 10, simply because these got docked a little bit because of the size and this one because of the smell. But other than that, I think that these products are really, really good. And go ahead and follow me on my social medias. I'll link them down below because I don't know my social medias off the back of my hand like that because I'm not on them like that. But you know, I'm on them like that if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I'll link them down below so you could follow me, and you can also tag me or anything like that to show me if you bought yours, and you know, give me your reviews on it or whatever. But yeah, so yeah, please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe this video and to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.